Cloud storage for older adults. Discover digital library in a blinking eye. My golden spring. Hello, Skywalkers.
Today, we soar into the clouds.
Not for weather updates, but to discover your virtual library in the sky. Cloud storage. Have you ever wished for a magical place where all your photos, documents, and videos can live without cluttering your device? Voila, cloud storage. Let's go ahead and get you started. Sign up for a cloud service. And just like sending a letter to the sky, upload your files. Accessibility is king. Access your digital treasures from any device. Anywhere, anytime. It's like having a key to a global library. Share the wealth. Send links.
Collaborate on documents.
And make magic together. Your cloud is your collaborative canvas. But what about security? Fear not. With encryption and passwords, your cloud is a fortress guarding your digital valuables. The organization is bliss. Create folders. Label them, and say goodbye to digital chaos. Your cloud. Your rules. Your serenity. And there you have it. A guide to your sky-high digital library.
Store, share, secure.
And sail smoothly in the cloud.